Welcome to VideoCulinary. I am Daniela. Today Grandma Emma and I are going to make mirror glaze that adds a beautiful shine to cakes. Soak 4 grams of gelatin sheets in cold water. You could use granulated gelatin too. Follow the instructions on the packaging of your gelatin. Combine 200 grams of sugar and 200 milliliters of water in a saucepot. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Stop stirring and bring to boil. Cool to 65 degrees Celsius. Squeeze the water from the gelatin sheets. Add into the syrup and mix. The glaze is ready to pour over a cake or mousse. Visit our website VideoCulinary.com to find a caramel mirror glaze, chocolate mirror glaze, and other great recipes. Thank you so much for joining us today. See you next time.